Stop scrolling. What if I told you there's a way to start making money online in 2026 using just your phone? No laptop, no experience, and you can connect it directly to Google AdSense? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Yofan.com and turn it into a real income stream. Make sure you watch till the end, because one small mistake can stop you from getting paid. Step 1. Go to Yofan.com and create an account. Open your browser on your phone and type Yofan.com. Once the site opens, click on Sign Up, enter your email, username, and password. Verify your email if required. After that, log into your account. Step 2. Set up your profile properly. This part is important if you want to get approved for monetization. Add a profile picture. Write a short bio. Make your profile look real and active. This helps build trust and increases your chances of earning. Step 3. Start posting content. Now you need content. Without content, no money. Post articles, short blogs, or updates. Focus on trending topics like money, tech, or lifestyle. Make your titles catchy. Example: 5 ways to make $100 online using your phone. Consistency is key. Post daily if possible. Step 4. Connect Yofan to Google AdSense. Now this is where the real money comes in. Go to your Yofan dashboard. Look for monetization settings or earnings. Click on Connect AdSense. If you already have a Google AdSense account, log in and approve the connection. If you don't have one, go to Google AdSense. Sign up using your Gmail, add your details and submit your site, Yofan profile, page. Important: make sure your content is original and follows AdSense rules, or you will get rejected. Step 5. Do everything using your phone. Yes, you can do all of this using your mobile phone. Use Chrome browser. Turn on desktop mode if needed. Manage everything from your phone dashboard. No laptop needed at all. Step 6. Drive traffic to your content. More views equals more money. Share your Yofan links on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Use short videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts to promote your posts. Add strong captions to attract clicks. Bonus tip: don't skip this. Focus on viral content. If one post blows up, you can start earning fast, even within days. Making money online is not magic, but if you follow these steps correctly, stay consistent, and keep learning, you can start seeing results faster than most people. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. More real methods are coming.